Performance Golf SF1 Driver. Is it worth the price or overrated? I'm going to show you whether it's worth it or not. So, this club is all over the internet for one big claim. It's supposed to fix your slice without changing your swing. That's a bold promise considering slicing is one of the most frustrating problems in golf. But the SF1 doesn't rely on gimmicks or training drills. It's built with a design that's meant to square up the face for you at impact so your shots go straighter. The tech inside it is actually interesting. Instead of a single feature, it combines several small design tweaks that all work toward one goal: getting rid of that slice. The face has a built in correction angle to help the club square up automatically. There's also this aerodynamic AeroSquare shape that helps you generate more toe speed, basically helping you swing faster without feeling like you're forcing it. The weight inside is distributed toward the heel, but not entirely, which helps counteract that open face problem that sends your ball flying right. What's unique is that all this is done passively. You don't have to consciously adjust your grip or your swing. You just play as usual, and the club does the micro adjustments for you. That's a big deal for casual players who just want their shots to stop curving off into the trees. The shaft is counterbalanced too, which means more stability during your swing and better control through impact. It's built with a carbon fiber crown and alloy body, giving it a solid yet light feel. The loft sits at 12 degrees, a little higher than average, which helps get the ball up in the air more easily, especially if your launch angle tends to be low. As for price, it's sitting at $249 on sale, down from $399, and it comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. That's pretty generous. A full year to test if it actually helps your game. And yes, it's completely legal under USGA rules, so you can use it in tournaments. Most reviews on the site are glowing, around 4.8 stars from over 5,000 players. A lot of them mention hitting straighter shots right away, even without changing their swing. Some claim their slice turned into a baby draw, which, if true, is impressive. But let's be real. No club can magically fix everything. If your slice comes from a really steep swing path or poor fundamentals, even the SF1 can only do so much. It might reduce the severity, but it won't erase bad habits. And while the higher loft helps with forgiveness, it might sacrifice a bit of distance for golfers who already have strong, consistent swings. Another thing to keep in mind: this club isn't customizable. You get one loft, one shaft setup. So, if you're a gear tinkerer who loves adjusting weights or swapping shafts, this might feel a bit limited. Still, what makes the SF1 stand out is how it's engineered for the average golfer, not pros or low handicappers. It's built for people who don't have time to rebuild their swing, but still want to enjoy the game and hit straighter drives. So, is it worth it? Honestly, if you're tired of losing distance and accuracy because of a slice, it's probably worth trying. The guarantee alone makes it a low risk test. But if you already hit the ball straight or are more advanced, you might not notice a huge jump in performance. In summary, the SF1 isn't just another flashy driver with a nice name. It's a thoughtfully designed club that addresses a very real issue for most weekend golfers. If you're in the target audience, occasional to mid handicap, struggle with slice, it could be a meaningful upgrade. Just don't expect it to replace good fundamentals or coaching.